Good morning. You're inquiring about rolling over superannuation from your previous employer. Can I have your account number?
बारह तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ। जॉब बदली 2 सुपर 1 में मर्ज।
Having multiple super accounts means paying duplicate fees, which eats into your balance. Consolidating is a smart decision. Do you know the fund name and number for the old account?
पुरानी कंपनी का नाम पता फिर नहीं।
You can search for Lost Super through your MyGov account. The ATO keeps records of all super accounts. With your TFN, it will show everything.
मर्ज से पहले चेक।
Yes, a few important things. Check whether the old fund has any insurance attached. Consolidating could cancel that insurance. Also compare fees and investment performance to decide which fund to keep.
इंश्योरेंस है कैसे पता?
Check the latest annual statement from the old fund, or call them directly. Many funds automatically combine when there's only one employer contributing.
अच्छी जानकारी। पहले चेक फिर मर्ज।
One more thing, consider your investment options. If you're young, a growth option suits you. If you're closer to retirement, a balanced or conservative option is more appropriate. What option are you currently on?
पता नहीं, कभी चेक नहीं किया। घर जाकर दोनों फिल्म देखता हूँ।